So yeah, it got to this point where I just have purchased a crazy amount of stuff, and it's time I show it to you guys. Hi guys, what's up? My name is Isabella. If you're new here, I am sorry for my voice. I lost it due to an insane amount of screaming and having the time of my life. I have a huge haul on today's video. I know Christmas just happened, and a lot of this stuff is stuff that people got me for Christmas and it came in late, and honestly, this is stuff I ordered over the time of Christmas, and then when I got home, it was waiting for me. As always, I'll link everything down below for direct purchases if you guys are interested in shopping it. In no way, shape, or form am I bragging. This is what I do. I love sharing my life with you guys and my shopping purchases and inspiring you guys to get more into fashion. Let's get into this video. First up, we're gonna start with my new sneakers. These are the Nike High Dunk Moon Fossils. I picked these up on StockX. My brother's fiance actually got them on the sneaker app, which lucky her. I wish I totally got them on there too for retail price instead of resale. But these are so gorgeous. If you guys know me, you guys know my style has changed into more like business casual, very classy and like timeless. And so these are just gonna go so well with my blazer and black slack pants outfits so well. And I just love them. It's like a beautiful taupe and black, and the silhouette is just timeless. I feel like I keep doing this to like show my love for these shoes. All right, so next up we have my first Louis bag of 3. This one still has the red bow on it. I haven't opened it since I went to the store and purchased it. I feel bad for like undoing the bow. It's just so pretty. Okay, so this is the confidential scarf. If you guys remember correctly, in my Christmas haul, I got the black and white confidential scarf, but I decided to pick it up in the brown version because it's so classy, and I feel like both are just gonna go so well with so many outfits I have planned. I like to wear these on my head in many different forms and fashion. You can also put them on your purses as well. These are just great accessory pieces, and I love how it has gold and silver, and then this is black. I mean, this is brown and light brown, and then my other one is like gold, silver, and then white and black. 2 totally different color schemes, but the same exact scarf. Okay, so I picked up a few things from Free People. These are shorts in a size large. I don't know the name of them, but I will link them down below. They are like tapestry shorts. These give me very much so Middle Eastern vibes. You guys know I'm Middle Eastern, so I just feel like these are just like perfect. I love how they look like almost like a tapestry. They've got a lot of beautiful detailing on them. They were very expensive, but so pretty and such a unique piece for a closet. So I love these a lot, and I am just obsessed with all the detailing on them. I just find that every time I look at them, I just feel inspired, and they just make me feel good. So I'm excited to wear these. I also picked up this little black long dress. I actually wore the white version in my mental health video that I did a little bit ago. These are just great like essential dresses, really nice and thin. I love the strap, and they hug really well. I'm so sorry for my voice. I actually have these in a size small, but typically I'm a medium, so I would size down in these, but they're very long on and they are gorgeous, and I'll insert a photo on the screen of me wearing the white one for you guys. These dresses are literally gonna last me for years, and I cannot wait to style these with so many different colors and shoes and accessories. It's just gonna be such a good time. I love fashion so much. Next up we have this little box, and these are the new Beats like AirPods. I've heard these are better than AirPods, so I decided to pick up myself the white pair, and I have been loving these so much. They are definitely way more clear than AirPods. They're so loud in the best way possible, and they are noise canceling, and they fit so well in your ear. Kind of like the same concept of AirPods, but just in like a Beats version. Yeah, I just really like them a lot, and they just came out, so I feel like not a lot of people have them yet, and if you want them, you should get them because they are amazing. Like the best headphones I've ever had, hands down. Like clear, crisp, and they have such great like long battery life. Oh, I got one other thing from Free People that I didn't show you. It's like this like cute little top. See if I can show you. Okay, so it looks like this in the front, and it's like velvet at the bottom. It ties in the back. Another very like Middle Eastern Moroccan boho almost piece. And I don't know, I just feel like these kind of pieces are beautiful statements and very fun to like wear out to like a nice dinner or something. I placed an online order at Gucci, and it came with this cute like little bag. I love this bag so much. But I picked up a item. You guys, I got the white Gucci belt. I have been wanting this for a minute, and it is so gorgeous and classy, timeless. There's just so many different ways to style this. I know a lot of people find it chewy, but I feel like when you style something the right way and you have the ability to style it differently, like your vision's just differently sometimes. Not sometimes. Your vision's always different depending on the person. So we can style things in so many different ways and bring it to life. So I don't know, I'm just really excited to style this belt. I love it. I've already worn my mom's when I was home, and I decided to pick up my own. So next up we have a purse that I just recently picked up, and I am so excited for it. I've actually already been using it and taking it around with me. So I'm gonna spare you guys the unboxing time of this, but I am so excited. Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh, look how beautiful she is. I have been so obsessed with the black and white LV prints and like the big prints that they've been dropping, and then this purse just took the cake for me. I'll list the name of it on the screen. It's like the Louis Vuitton pochette something, but I love it. There's so many different ways you can wear this bag. These are 2 separate pieces, so you can wear them separately, and then it comes with this big, fat, very heavy chain. And yeah, it's just beautiful. I mean, it's just stunning, you guys. I don't know, I love it. It's so pretty, and I am so happy about her. I also really love the interior, which I will show you guys. The red interior, are you kidding me? It's perfect, it's perfect. And the smell of a new bag is just always such a superior smell. It's just been a really great, easy bag to style, and like I said, I'm obsessed with the big LV chunky prints and also it in black and white. This was a late Christmas gift from my brother, but he got me these little smiley face slippers that I've literally seen everywhere, but the green ones, because green is my favorite color, so I love these so much. I cannot wait to wear these around my new apartment. So stunning, so perfect, I love them. Also, I just said new apartment, and if you caught on to that, yes, I'm moving, and you'll see it in a video very soon. I'm actually moving right now while we're speaking. While you're watching, I'm moving. Steve Madden, I love Steve Madden shoes so much. I feel like they're just such great quality. These are the Lawrence black and green little loafers. I love these, cannot wait to style these. Actually, these shoes with that Louis Vuitton purse I just got, a fit, a vibe, perfect. I will say that I do size up a full size in these just because I feel like they run small and I have a very wide foot. But I love the complementary black and, I almost forgot what I was saying, green. Y'all know anything green I'm obsessed with. Like, look at that jacket, this, oh, perfect. I love them a lot. Picked up some stuff from Lululemon, and I don't even know what I ordered, so let's open it. Okay, I got a new pair of biker shorts. These are in a size 4. They're just a Align 6-inch biker shorts. Okay, looks like I got 2 pair. And then I picked up these army green olive leggings. Oh, these have pockets? These have pockets, oh my gosh. How adorable. I love these. I actually have these, but they are a size 2 and they don't have pockets, so I love these a lot. This was a late Christmas gift from both of my brothers combined. They always like get me a gift together, which is so sweet of them. So I am really excited for these because you guys know I still love sneakers with my whole heart, even though my style is definitely changing a lot. They're still like my kryptonite. These are the Air Jordan 4 Taupe Haze. I love these. Still definitely very neutral shoe and compatible to the other ones that I have, but these are just stunning. I mean, I love a Jordan 4 silhouette. I think that is so fun, and I love all the different elements on them. I love the red tongue and all the different textures that are around this shoe. Okay, I have something from Palm Angels. My friends that live in Miami actually went to the design district and picked me up these, and I'm so excited that I have these because I love them a lot, like a lot, guys. Oh my gosh, these are stunning. I feel like such a baddie when I wear these. With a slick back bun, oh my goodness. Serving! Let me know how you guys would style these. I feel like there's just so many ways to style them, but I am obsessed, and they're so heavy and so luxurious. Chef's kiss. They're perfect. And last but not least, we have a gift from my parents that was a little late for Christmas, so they shipped it to my apartment. But these are the off-white rain boots, which I love, and I love Virgil Abloh, and I'm so sad that he has passed away. He was such an incredible designer and just brought so many things to life in the fashion industry. This is my first purchase after his passing, so very sad, but I love him so much, and his legacy will forever carry on. These are the rain boots. They say for rainy days on them. They have, of course, a zip tie and the new marbling. I love the bottom of them, and they're just so insanely perfect, so comfortable, and yeah, I've already tried them on and I just love them a lot. I cannot wait to style these when it rains. I need a really fun like rain jacket now, so if you guys have any rain jackets like that you think I would like, let me know. These are literally a work of art, and anything that Virgil adds his amazing brain powers to is a work of art. All right, guys, that is it for this haul. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot. And again, I'm sorry for my voice. I feel like bad that I have to go on camera like this, but I needed to film this video, and filming makes me happy. It's like an escape for me, so hope you guys understand. My quote of the day is, you've got to find joy in being alone sometimes. This is important, and I've found so much joy in resting in myself and my inner peace and keeping myself sane. And I think it's really important to abide by the rules of find joy in being alone and just being with yourself. It is such a rewarding feeling. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my very next video. And are you guys excited for the moving content? Because all this is about to be packed up very, very soon, like today. I'm pumped. All right, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Mwah.